Also,
Yeah.
just
I would like to add that
Yes.
main characters leading also.
Okay, all of you are so keen and eager to talk. So to give everybody a chance, what I'll do, I'll divide into two groups. First, only chess number 24 to 50 only will discuss, and first three and last three will remain silent. 24 to 50, please start.
Friends, I believe that the more focus should be laid on empowering the villages of India as most of us
First we have to go to the story now.
First
we have to decide the character.
education.
No,
schools, including schools in the villages.
Basically,
we need to spread the education to the every village, and India is a developing
I partially
nation.
agree with 32 by saying that we would rather consider the agriculture into consideration
So
as
bringing
major.
more
Now let's give this group a chance. They will start up where they left. First three and last three only.
Friends, I think the theme of the plot should be cleanliness. Three friends
Yeah,
are
we
going for
also
a
have
trekking
three
match.
characters.
Second character, they observe that there is not enough cleanliness. They make posters, they make awareness.
Then let it be protection of
society.
So,
be there.
Yeah, competition should be there.
Exactly.
And what
And nature should be protected. Let our story will have a theme regarding nature protection.
Something related to what you got from the school. Because you can see the first character being a lad of something from the education system, and he should be improving on the awareness of the system and from the family as a whole.
Six to one, what he is
Let us move on to the
See,
story.
editing, listen.
Yeah,
They can
exactly.
make three awarenesses. First awareness is they can make posters. Second is they can go to their school and tell their
they can-
that they are spreading the awareness. The nearby is not number 21. You can directly say that they are spreading the awareness. You don't have to.
Yes,
They have to take certain measures and they have to
They have raised awareness that people are coming to clear the place. They have also told the district magistrate.
so this awareness is
that is okay.
This is what we are actually
Okay, thank you. Now I give the whole group last couple of minutes to arrive at it.
The farming has been spread to the education. They can combine all the through education we can take care of cleanliness and farming also.
Okay, gentlemen, boys, your time is up. Now you can nominate anyone from this.
But 32
Oh यार खत्म तो हो गए थे. Let me finish first. You are in such a hurry. Wait, I have not even finished. You nominate. अरे वो जब टॉस के बाद भी ना 10 मिनट्स मिलते हैं पैड अप करने के लिए. आप तो ऐसे कर रहे हो बस ये ग्राउंड में भाई पैड बैड वहीं दे. Wait. Now decide.
Just
So
number
the 32 will
Okay sir. Okay, go ahead. खड़े हो जाओ बेटा.
Firstly, I would like to thank you for nominating me. Sir, the group has decided that there are three characters, all are male, and we have decided to combine three themes. Like we will be spreading the character would be spreading the education, and it would be spreading the cleanliness and farming methods through education. So there is a man whose two sons goes to education. He take them to the near village and provide them education. They learn in the school the new method of cultivation. They tell his farmer father. His father is a farmer. They tell him, and the father spread the word to the villagers. And as the cultivation system increases, moreover, since they have been in the school and they have been taught by their teachers to clean their surroundings, so they do come to the village and they spread their words about the cleanliness, and they put their part in the cleanliness of the village. Moreover, since their father has sent them to school to the next village, so it has also motivated the other parents in the village to send their children, more and more children to the village, and hence the villagers appreciated the efforts put in by their father. Thank you.
Okay. First, बेटा, you have a huge responsibility. कुछ समझ नहीं आया. Clearly, you have to be clear. You knew what, whose sons, whose father, which village, which school, cleanliness. No, you have to have more clarity. Okay. And see, I am not finding, but what prompted, that he can do somebody who was good in communication and all, and you ended up telling your own theme only, isn't it? No.
My thing was education.
Motivated villager, children to school. Anyway, chalo, I'll come to that. Okay, quickly. Okay, chess number 11. I think, okay, I have written dream. Oh, what is this? You said father and son, and then research, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he also followed suit. There was a chain reaction. I said, sorry, bache, ye not convincing. I have written not convincing. Listen, practical. You cannot be some You know, it was, I have written electric supply, this, that, water supply, written dream. And a child has to grow. You know, president बनने में I think वो पहले scientific advisor, missile man, then 60 years nation had to wait when this boy will come and give supply. Not good enough. Okay, बच्चे think little more rational, little more solid. This will not take you. Okay, didn't make sense. He joins school, then comes back, then he does all that, nothing. And you are also another thing, you were trying to participate, but nothing much was heard. You are only talking will not make take you through. You have to talk sense. Maybe you are pretending that I am talking. So I think today's performance is doubtful. You will go to the next one. Okay. So you have to think little more logical, rational. 20. You are again see. You expected one thing. I'll tell that I'll brief you there. Please don't pick up minors as your central character just because you are a minor, you are pushing 18, have adult as your characters. Even if you are 10 plus 2, you are trying to make children do so much. You know, you also brother and sister, they are trying to do so much. Yeah, this is real. Brother and sister only developing the village. छोटे-छोटे बच्चे, क्या ये plants लगा रहे हैं, and then other students also join, go green, all that, you know. So, you know, it has to make sense. It's okay. Let children play, have fun and study. Why you make them grown up do the big job? At least make them 18. Okay, so that is one thing. But still, I think thinking was okay. You are at least trying to do something. You are talking, but not making, you know, nobody is hearing, nobody is paying attention. You have to be little more kind of rational. Your presence should be felt. Okay? So, doubtful, you are just about there, you are talking sense, your mind is at the right place, but you are not able to deliver. 21. In the, see, I have written, okay, you don't use the word tricks and all. Tricks क्या होता है? बार-बार tricks बोल रहे हो, trekking के tricks? Tricks नहीं है. Tips तो फिर भी समझ में आता है. Don't call them tricks. Tricks is kind of derogatory. How to maybe tricks में तो यह कि कैसे shortcut ले लो trekking में, one hill to another. नहीं, this is there are no. I have written not very impressive. Get something real, solid, not very impressive. Okay, then you were just trekking, then you motivated juniors को फिर tricks दे दी उनको. Not very impressive, but still overall you did okay. You delivered it well. You are confident. And then you are participating in the discussion, but you have to do much better than this. Okay? Theme अच्छी पकड़ो. Okay? Take a better theme, real theme, concrete. It's okay. From you it is expected that you will talk about your environment, NCC, some school, playground or somewhere, that's okay. But get real. So overall you are okay, but you can do much better. 24. First is your he was still okay, school lacking facilities, and what was the Yadav thing? Yadav you gave a name to the
I gave a name.
Yadav and
then they had 2 children.
again see family only trying to वो dangerous actually.
No, actually
dancing already. Okay, you have to speak clearly. Modulation. It was not very clear. Your theme was okay, nothing wrong with that. But then you lost the plot, no participation in the discussion, very little. Okay, so doubtful with this kind of performance. You have to do much better. 32, your thing was good. Okay, when you spoke, motivated villagers, lack of school, children to school. Basically, it's for a young kid to think that school, getting children to school is a good thinking, right? So that the theme was okay, and but I think आपकी थोड़ा सा mannerism, delivery,